All right, let's take a look. And let's try to get it factored. And to do that, I'm going to have to do some completing the square in this problem over here. And let's take a look. I see the 81. So let's see, I would need 2 times 9, which is going to be 18, x squared, and then minus 18, x squared. And that is certainly the same thing as saying x4 plus 81. And this, of course, is equal to 0. All right. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to factor this. Let me just erase this so I don't need this anymore. I'm going to factor this guy. Reminds me of the last section we did. This is going to be x squared plus 9 quantity squared minus 18x squared equals 0. It's a difference of perfect squares, and you're going to get x squared plus 9, let's see, minus root 18 x, and then you get x squared plus 9 plus root 18x, and that equals 0. Right, these are quadratics, and I'm going to write them. I'm going to identify what the a is in the problem for this. The a is 1. The b is actually minus root 18, and the c is actually 9. So what's x equal? Let's write this down. Let's see, twice the a, 2, root 18. We'll simplify that later, by the way. Plus or minus, well, it's going to be 18 minus 4 times a times c, which is 36. Let's keep moving along. That's root 18 plus or minus. That's a 2 in the bottom. And 18 minus 36 is minus 18. So I'm going to get plus or minus 3i. And then I'm going to get a root 2. All right. I'm going to simplify it a tiny little bit. 18 again is 9, so 3 root 2 plus or minus 3i root 2 over 2. I'm going to say that one's done. Let's do the other one. And the other one, I'll identify the a. I'll identify the b. The b is root 18, and the c is 9. They're very similar problems, by the way. Let's write this one down. I'll put it over here. X will equal, well, it's 2. This will be minus root 18, plus or minus 18 minus 36. Wow, deja vu all over again. So I think I'd cut to the chase on this one. What are you going to get? Minus 3 root 2, plus or minus 3i root 2 over 2. All right, let me just tell you where the answers are. Here and here. I want to get my my pen out, see if I got the answers over here. And let's take a look. And I got to be careful over here, don't I? So let's look at this one first. I know they wrote it in a spiffy way, by the way. They factored out a root 2, and they get 3 plus or minus. Yeah, this is good. I got this right here. Let's see about this one over here. It looks like they just factored a minus 1 out. That's fine. All right. And then they'd get root 2. And let's see if I got that one right. Do you have the root 2? Factor the minus, and you'd get 3 minus plus. Yeah, all looks good. All right. Okay. Again, we did this in the last section, if you recall. Let me just repeat what we did in the last section in this section, which we move forward by having a past. Thank you.